In this video, I'm going to show you 3 best online jobs that you can make money with this year and beyond. And we're gonna start right now. What's up everyone, this is Refaat Abohassan. This channel is all about online entrepreneurship, making money online, and generating passive income. So if this is the first time for you on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, the reason I did this video, you guys, is because there is a lot of people that I know unfortunately lost their job due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And many others has their salary deducted or have to move to a low salary job that barely can sustain them. In addition, although we're approaching the end of 2020, the reality is, you guys, is that these 3 jobs were some of the most trending jobs online for the past 5 years. And I believe it will be a better option for many years to come. So in this video, you guys, I'm going to show you these 3 online jobs that are legitimate and can make you real money. And these jobs are scalable, means that you can increase your income with, you can grow your business with, and anybody obviously can do, and don't require much of a skill. And if you continue watching this video till the end, you guys, I'm going to give you a bonus that's worth hundreds of dollars. It's really a catch, but only if you watch and keep watching this video till the end, you guys. So make sure to keep watching. Now, I'm sure that you probably came across many ways of making money online on the internet, but they either make few money, for example, jobs like making surveys, coupon clipping, home data entry, call center work, virtual assistants, and home customer care, which are all okay, by the way, for the short run. But they're not really for people seeking to make an income. Or you may come across offers that are not legitimate, or offers to get rich quick opportunities, which are not real at all, you guys. It will take you nowhere and might even make you lose some money. Now, generally, making money online follow 3 strategies: either selling a product, or selling a service, or selling information. And I'm going to show you the best methods that follow these 3 strategies. So without further ado, let's jump into those. Job number 1, and this is to be a social media manager. So you're gonna be a social media manager for other people's and companies' accounts. Social media management involves building, managing, and growing social media accounts. Now, this might sound complicated, you guys, for many people, but it's really simple, and it's something that anybody can learn if they have enough motive and dedication. With social media management, you would help businesses to promote their products by running campaigns on social media platforms. And you can make money online building Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest, or even Snapchats, and become a remote social media manager. These businesses also may need your help with managing comments, growing their community, and improving their social selling effort. What you have to do, you guys, is to get good at creating content on social media platforms. And once you have some experience in running campaigns on social media, you can manage campaigns account and charge monthly. And you can do this also with family members' accounts who need to keep up with their followers and post content consistently. And as long as you're able to add your voice and creativity to posts by creating shareable videos or including hilarious images or videos, you can start taking on clients today. And for this kind of job, you're looking for an hourly earning of between $16 and $50 per hour. And you can find jobs for social media management on websites like Indeed, Upwork, and People's Per Hour. And I'm going to put the links for those websites in the description below. Job number 2 is digital marketing freelancing. Online digital marketing jobs are in high demand, you guys. It's basically the ads that appear on the Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Snapchats, Google. It's what most successful companies spend a huge portion of their money on, you guys. And the reason they do this is because there is a skill gap between the actual product and marketing that companies can't fill. And therefore, they search for people like you and other digital marketers who can fill this gap. So it's a great way to use your chops and analytical skills to help businesses to grow their online presence. According to some studies, you guys, 50% of modern businesses lack skillful workers. And frankly, big companies don't hire skillful teams in each department they have and pay them monthly salary. But what they do, you guys, is they outsource these people and pay them per hour or per day. And by this way, they save a lot of money and a lot of unnecessary headache. On the other hand, those people who are willing to work from home have lucrative opportunity to work for such companies. Look, you guys, learning digital marketing will take some time, such as anything new for you. But it's not a big deal because there is a lot of tutorials and videos available on YouTube, this platform, or on personal blogs that you can check. So you can learn easily and without paying any money. And trust me, it's really worth it, the effort, if you are into it. So you just need to take it seriously and give it the dedication and time, and you'll find yourself learning digital marketing in no time. But let me tell you something, you guys. What you need to do is you need to focus on just one platform. So instead of jumping from Facebook to Google or Instagram or Snapchat, just focus on one and master it. Say, for example, if you're using Google Ads, which is a big thing. So focus on Google Ads, for example, and master it. And the best freelance site that you can get started with is FlexJobs, which is a site that provides access to thousands of marketing opportunities for a small fee. So you can start earning money faster. Other places to find digital marketing jobs include Angel.co, which is a site for startup jobs, the famous LinkedIn, which is a site where you can set up a job search with keywords like digital marketing, content marketing, or SEO. And also there's a website called Indeed.com. Search for digital marketing to find clients looking for someone like you. Job number 3 is drop shipping. Drop shipping is a flexible e-commerce business such as fulfillment by Amazon. But what's good about dropshipping is that it does not require a huge capital to start with. What dropshipping will allow you to do is to sell products without worrying about inventory or fulfilling orders. Now, how does it work? The process is simple and only require a website to become an online retailer of thousands of potential products online that really make sale. And I'm going to share with you a tool that can help you with that in a second. So the process goes like this. You as a retailer launch an e-commerce store and advertise a manufacturer's product, generally from AliExpress, and then a customer complete an order on your website, and after that you then forward the customer and the order information to the manufacturer, and they will handle the shipment from their site. And there are many ways to find products that make sales, you guys. And the tool that I'm going to share with you today for this is called Shop Inspect, which is a website to find viral and trending products that made huge sales recently. So what you would be looking to sell, you guys, is things that captures people's attention while scrolling on their social media feeds. And this item should be within the margins of $20 to $80. You don't want to go more than 80 because it would be expensive for people, or less than 20 because it won't be profitable for you. So you want it to keep it always within that range of $20 and $80. Then you need to set a simple store on Shopify and start testing those products. Run multiple Facebook ads and see which one works for you. And of course, it won't work immediately. It will take some time, such as any other new thing that you're trying. But with consistency and trial and error, you will find the right strategy for you. And like any other businesses, you guys, dropshipping has its downsides also. And I have made a previous video where I compared affiliate marketing with dropshipping that you can find on the link that will appear on the screen right now. In this video, I basically compared affiliate marketing and dropshipping, where I mentioned the pros and cons of affiliate marketing and dropshipping so that you can choose which best for you. It's a great video if you're thinking about dropshipping or affiliate marketing, and I encourage you to go and watch it. So there you go, guys. These are my 3 online jobs that you can make serious money with this year and beyond. So here it comes to the bonus now. In my previous video, I talked about 3 ways to make money online on TikTok. You can check that video on the link that will appear on the screen right now. So the bonus here, you guys, is that I'm going to offer you a valuable course that can teach you how to generate free leads on TikTok. This course worth about $800, you guys, and it teaches you how you can generate free leads in 15 seconds. And that's for a really negligible and irresistible price. That's for limited time for you, you guys. So if you are interested, you guys, check the link in the description below for the 15-second free leads course. So there you go, guys. I hope that you got a lot of value from this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up because it really helped the video and the channel to grow, and share this video with others so that they can have the same value as you did. This is Refaat Abohassan, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.